Good morning. You must be William.
Yeah, that's me. Hello.
Did you find the place all right?
Oh, yeah, no problem at all. GPS did most of the work.
Awesome. Go ahead and have a seat. So, William, nice to meet you. I'm April. I'm the hiring manager here at SNZ Solutions. We're a small team, but we're always interested in bringing in new talent when we see it. So, thanks for coming in today.
Nice to meet you, April. Thanks so much for having me. I really appreciate it.
How was the commute over?
Oh, not bad at all, actually. Little bit of traffic, but yeah, smooth overall.
Good to hear. Would you like some water before we start?
No, I'm good. Thank you. I appreciate it, though.
Alright then, so let's jump right in. What would you say your main strengths are?
I think I'm very detail oriented. I'd say I work well with people and sorry, I'm very good at staying organized even in fast-paced environments. Ooh, excuse me. I'm so sorry.
Oh, no worries at all. Bless you.
Thank you. Just a little bit of allergies today.
No problem. Go on.
Right, so as I was saying, I'm very organized. I really enjoy problem solving and oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. I swear this doesn't usually happen.
You're alright. Take your time.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Where was I? Um, I think I'm dependable. I'm quite good at adapting when things change, that sort of stuff.
That's great. And, William, what would you say motivates you in a work environment?
Motivates me. I'd say having clear goals is always good, a solid back and forth communication, and and just a moment. Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you. This is getting a bit embarrassing.
You're doing fine.
Um, and big motivation, of course, is working for a company whose values I believe in, like SNZ. I've read some great things you guys do for the community.
We believe it's important to give back to our little town.
That's truly inspiring.
Yeah, that's definitely something we take pride in. So, what made you interested in this position specifically?
Well, I think my skills would align would align. Oh, hey God. Phew. Phew.
Bless you.
Oh, my goodness. I'm so sorry. I took my meds this morning. Maybe they just didn't kick in yet. I don't know.
That happens. Allergies can be pretty rough, especially here in the south. I'm still getting used to it myself, honestly.
Oh, yeah, me too.
So, where are you from? I noticed you have a bit of an accent.
I'm from Brazil. Moved here a few months ago.
Nice. I've been here a couple of years, but I'm originally from Canada.
Oh, Canada. That's awesome. I've heard it's beautiful up there. Probably easier on the allergies too, if I had to guess.
Yeah, for the most part. I didn't realize how bad it was down here until I moved. Here, take a tissue.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, what really drew me to this position was there. Oh. Phew. Phew.
Bless you again.
Thanks. Oh my God, I do apologize. But yeah, the idea of working somewhere smaller, where the work actually feels meaningful.
That's good to hear. We try to create an environment where people can grow and contribute. And William, could you tell me about a time you had to work under pressure?
Absolutely. So in my last role, there was a situation where we were kind of short-staffed, and I had to juggle like multiple responsibilities at once. Hold on.
Bless you.
Oh, my goodness. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It does seem like your nose is having quite a day.
Yeah, it really is. Okay, but I think I'm okay now. Well, and I'd say I'm easy to work with and I learn pretty quickly. That surely helps me deal with pressure. Oh no. Phew.
Bless you again.
Thank you. I swear I don't usually sneeze this much in professional settings. I don't know what's happening.
It's okay.
I appreciate that, really. So yeah, oh no, not again. I have to sneeze. Phew. Phew. Phew.
Bless you. Would you like to take a short break? Maybe step outside for a moment?
Honestly, it might make it worse. Being outside with this much pollen, I'm just so allergic. I'm sorry. I think if I just power through, I'll be okay.
All right, your call.
Oh my god, no. Please, no. Please, no. Sorry. I gotta sneeze. Achoo. 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 I'm so sorry again. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh God, I just feel awful about this. I don't want this to be the only thing you remember about me. Oh my God.
I understand. William, let me ask you something honestly.
Yeah.
Is this a regular thing for you?
Not this bad, no. But I do have pretty strong allergies, unfortunately. And sometimes, like today, they get a little out of hand. Okay, more than a little.
Alright, let me be completely straight with you. You seem like a genuinely nice guy. You're polite. You clearly care about making a good impression. But the truth is, this is a very collaborative environment. Lots of meetings, shared workspaces, constant interaction. And honestly, having this much sneezing going on throughout the day would be pretty disruptive.
Yeah, I get that.
It's not personal. I just don't think we can realistically hire someone who sneezes this much on a regular basis.
That's fair. That's fair.
I truly wish you the best, though, and I hope your allergies give you a break soon.
Thank you, and I'm so sorry for all the sneezing.
No need to apologize.
You.
Bless you. And William, for what it's worth, this might be the sneeziest interview I've ever conducted.
Oh God, I do apologize.
Oh, there's no need. Here, let me walk you out.
Thank you, and thanks for the opportunity.
Oh, wow. I've been here since early this morning and didn't realize how much everything was blooming out there.
Oh yeah, it's been a rough day. Pollen count is off the charts. You. You.
Oh, sorry.
Bless you.
I guess it's my turn.
I've got some Benadryl in my car if you need it. I think mine's finally starting to kick in.
Thank you, but there's no need. It'll calm down once I get back inside.
Well, good luck with your allergies, and thanks again for the opportunity.
William, wait.
Yes?
Why don't you grab that Benadryl and come back inside?
You got it.
Please, a Benadryl. Quick.